Aloha, Unity of Central Oregon. My name is Reverend Kiah, and I'm going to be coming to visit you all on Sunday, September 10th. I'm coming to visit from the island of beautiful Kauai. I am a trumpet player and a multi-instrumentalist. I do multi-instrument sound bath journeys, and I also play jazz. I'm so excited to share my music with you and some special events, and I cannot wait to just be in your presence. I'll see you soon.